Green with a dub. Kidding me now? You just kidding me now?
Boss, you're the champion here, 2,106 winners in total, I think. But now everything is fine. Did you explain everything at work? They know the truth? Yeah, dear. Welcome, my dear. Good luck. Oh, winner, you had a chance to get 15 cuts at 50x? Crazy Sam with 3x. Well, then everything is good. They know the truth. All good. Don't worry, she just messed up with her karma. A lot of points off her karma. Oh my goodness! Woo! It's a crazy time with the 3x, baby! Let's go! Oh my goodness! Yes! And we all are excited. Yeah, let's go! Whoop, whoop! 3x, guys! In your pocket. Let's go. Love you back, my sunshine. So, let's make everything 3 times bigger. Bam! Let's go. Okay, now please choose your luckiest number. So green, blue, yellow, blue, or green. I think about blue when it's very loud, green, but I will go for yellow. Max multiply 600x. Good luck to you. Let's we go. Oh! Yes, baby! It's a triple on the blue! Woo! Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, now max multiply 1,800x. Go! Come on! Okay, still nice. Look at this. It's a 450x on blue. Woo! Oh my goodness! Thank you, Baba. 4,000 champions I see at this moment. West, what a win. You want to be more than 35,000 euros. Nice! Top slot is back. Hello, my cute little thing. Welcome, sweethearts. Oh my. Good luck. Hello.
Emmy. Kamustka. Let's go, everyone. That's why I love this guy. Ray, love you too, brother. Yes, I am, Lexi. Yes, I am. Mr. Beast, finally, you know. You're not gonna silence. Jock, thanks so much, brother. Have a wonderful time. Crazy Tower the tricks for the fly now. Please, you say coin. Coin was 15x we had on a coin flip. Guys, it's a 3x. It's a 3x multiplier. 3x. Yep, 3x multiplier. Yeah, crazy time, but 3x. Oh, you speak Tagalog. 3x, yeah, guys, 3x, you know? Three X. I wish you the best of luck. What can I say here, guys? What can I say? 3x, crazy time, good luck. That's it. $3x crazy time. Gamber, are you still here, brother? Alright, decision time. Please choose your flopper. We know that yellow was that. What do you think about it? It's green, blue, blue or green. Green was really good, bro. Literally going crazy. I'm happy to hear that, Gamba. Everyone, let's go! Woo! Woo! want to spin it! Woo! All right. Green with a double, guys. This time, bro, and I get a double. I don't know, Gamba. Green with a double. Green with a double, everyone, guys. Let's go. Woo! Double, one more time. Come on. Woo! Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up in the air. Let's go, that's a new spin. Brother Bear, let's get in there. Woo! Oh my, no way. You kidding me now. You just kidding me now there. What it will be. Ooh, you kidding me now? Come on. Let's go for it, guys. Are you ready? We're going to spin it. Let's go and let's spin it, everyone. Sheesh. Ooh. 360x for the flop. How do I got it here, guys? 360.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Trolltime UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody